It's all your fault. I know. Fuck you. They were all bigger than Edward and boasted about it. I'm bigger than Edward and boast about it, said Gordon. Edward began to cry like a little bitch. The driver and fireman never gave Edward up, never let Edward down, never turned around and hurt him. Edward loves messing about with trucks.
But he didn't hear what they thought.
They beat the shit out of little Edward. A new U-poop stood on Toby's platform. It was, of course, Cole again. But Toby didn't know this yet. What? Already? Your green paint and red stripes look like shit. I shall have you painted blue. Henry hated the island of Sodor. Gordon passed away in his sleep. Hello, fat fuck. Bill and Ben are tank engine twins. Their trucks are filled with children's ashes. They're needed for fish and chips and toast and marmalade. One morning, they went away for more dead children. They returned to find nothing had changed. Their drivers examined a patch of oil. That's a patch of oil. So wattle, aspill, patch of oil. You smoked cocaine yesterday. You're a big truckie. They found the diesel on a siding with the missing trucks. Ben hired the hitman. That's a diesel. It's a wattle, a diesel, I think. There's a notice about them in our shed. Pops and sneezels, red disease. We'll magic him away like the trucks. Oh!